wait, hold on.
And so, in part 9 of 4th of July fireworks, my mom, the firework pansy, is gonna light a satellite.
Here it comes. He's putting this on YouTube or Facebook.
Yeah, you can.
One of those.
Oops. Okay. Okay, that was my fake laugh. Okay, Mom's trying to finish that satellite.
It's not standing up anymore. It's gonna like catch on fire before the season's ready. You gotta. It's okay.
Get it down where the. There you go.
Okay, here's the satellite.
Oh man, what a dud.
Now it's kind of stupid. Mom, are you sure you had it on the right part? Hey, Dad, you got a lighter? You have a lighter?
I have those pumps, that's all.
Oh. How are you lighting them?
Huh?
How are you?
Come over here. I'm lighting a white one. Sure.
Okay. Tara's lighting a white smoke bomb.
A lot of smoke. We're gonna fly your way.
And that was F.O.J up close of a smoke bomb. And Tara just kicked it somewhere where I don't know where it is.
Can you steal some matches from some? Did you ever put them?
No.
No,
I
made it put them back.
Okay, so there we can see that there is still more things. Hey guys, I want a lighter. Anybody have a lighter? An extra lighter?
You know, it'd be funny if you just put it like the whole thing and it just explodes all together. I'm lighting the airplane thing.
Hey Tara, can I use that after you?
A lighter?
Yeah.
Okay, light the airplane.
Okay, Taylor's lighting another airplane. Dang it, might be out. No.
Oh no, I got him.
Okay, so here we go.
That was a dud. Whoa, look.
That wasn't no dud.
Flames are pretty cool, I like it. They're pretty cheap too.
How cheap were they?
Like 4 for $1, something like that. You want to light one?
No, I'm good.
What are you going to light?
Smoke bombs.
There's some satellites ready, Taylor.
If anyone wants to light a satellite, there's some over here.
Y'all never give me those lighters.
There you go. Works the same.
What a what?
The pump right there. It
Oh
works the same.
yeah, here it comes.
Oh.
The paper caught on fire.
Okay, that was satellite.
It landed on the roof. Well, it's right there. I see it. Hey, let's see.
Why are you going to gas me right there, man?
I'm not.
Here comes smoke.
This sucks.
Here, let me look.
Oh god, no.
What is this, sparkler?
Kind
Oh,
of.
stop.
Hey, don't touch it, son.
Throw it!
It's going to get hot real fast.
Yo, you throw it.
Huh?
You throw it.
Yeah, but not, I mean, as soon as it's lit, I toss it.
That's what I was gonna do.
People!
Okay, so that was part 9.
Lighting a satellite, you better move.
Oh wait. Okay. Nick's lighting a satellite from over there. Here it comes. Okay. Went crazy on the garage. And so, we will see you in part 10 of 4th of July fireworks.
Cheese.